Hi, Dax79 here. I'm going to open another random Amazon parcel. Now, if you're new to my channel, please subscribe, like to it, because I'm just opening stuff and reviewing it and checking stuff out. Cool stuff. I'm checking cool stuff out, and you can be with me when I do it. Right, let's have a look. Right. Oh, it's something from NEEWER. This is good. Let's see, what is this? They fitted it all in a little box again. I know what this is. In an earlier video, I reviewed the Nikon power adapter. I think it was Nikon. It's my other camera that I use at work. And it was a power pack. It's like a fake power pack that you plug into the camera. Well, one of the biggest problems I've got is the monitor I'm looking at there. It's a Sony monitor, and I have major problems with batteries. It drains my batteries, but I need it to see what I'm doing to make sure I'm in focus and stuff. And as I said in the previous video, I just want one for a Sony. They answered my call. Is there a Sony version? This is good. Because I can literally test it right now on you. We'll double check to see if we've got a good length of cable again. If you remember last time, we had like a meter per cable, I think it was. So this is something that I will be using now every day, because I'm always using my camera. Watch it be the wrong battery. Watch it be the wrong Sony battery. Oh, that would drive me crazy. Right, first things first. Double check it. So we're looking at 4 meters of cabling. Right, let's find out if it works. So I'm just gonna pop out my battery. Oh, you know it's the wrong one, isn't it? Oh, it's the wrong one. It's the other Sony battery. Let's try it anyway. Let's see what happens. Oh no! I got my Sony batteries wrong. Oh, I was hoping it was this one. That's the one for my other camera. Oh, I got it wrong. Oh. Luckily, I will find a use for this, because we're always trying to. You're always needing batteries of different cameras and different monitors. I got the wrong one. See, now, if this wasn't a Vine video, I'd have to send it back and then have all the fiasco of getting exchanged for the right one. As it's a Vine video, I can basically keep it to the side, and as soon as I get the other one, I'll review it. I'll keep my eyes out for it. But to let you know, this is all extremely well made. I'm really enjoying every item I get from NEEWER, to be quite honest. The quality is really good for the price. So it's one of those, even if I bought this and then I realised I got the wrong size, I would still keep it, because first off, I know it's a high quality item, and the other thing is that when you're in the amateur film business, you do find yourself constantly looking for batteries. Has anyone got a battery for this and a battery for that? And we've got. So I might find that this fits my lights. And use it that way instead. You know, one of my mobile lights, they take different batteries. But once again, very good job, NEEWER. High quality stuff. I've got the other one already, and that one hooked up to the other camera with no problem, so I can tell this would be the exact same thing. So this was the NEEWER AC power adapter UK. Right, Dax79 kicking himself the other one. I must keep my eye out for the other one. Dax79 out.